Welcome. This is a special presentation from the Boomer Report. Here, within the confines of the human skull, lies an object more complex than any galaxy we've ever observed. An object that weighs a mere 3 pounds, yet holds within its delicate folds the very essence of what it means to be human. This is the human brain, a labyrinthine network of billions of neurons firing in concert, creating a symphony of electrical activity that gives rise to our thoughts, our emotions, our very consciousness. For millennia, this enigmatic organ has captivated philosophers and scientists alike, a testament to the boundless wonders of the natural world. Join us now on a journey into the depths of this extraordinary realm as we unlock the secrets of the human brain. Prepare to be astonished by 10 mind-blowing facts that will challenge your perceptions and leave you with a profound sense of awe. Imagine a world where the very essence of thought is tangible, visible even, where the spark of an idea translates into a measurable burst of energy. This is the reality of the human brain, an organ that generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. This remarkable feat is accomplished through the tireless work of billions of neurons, the brain's fundamental processing units. Each neuron acts like a tiny battery, storing electrical potential and releasing it in a coordinated burst when stimulated. This electrical impulse, known as an action potential, travels down the neuron's long axon like a signal flare racing through the night. As the action potential reaches the end of the axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters then cross the synaptic gap, a minuscule space between neurons, and bind to receptors on the receiving neuron. This process, repeated billions of times every second, is the foundation of all brain activity, from our simplest reflexes to our most complex thoughts. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a vast and awe-inspiring spectacle containing billions upon billions of stars. But even the sheer scale of the cosmos pales in comparison to the intricate network contained within our own skulls. For you see, the human brain possesses more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. It's a staggering thought, but within each of us resides a universe of unimaginable complexity. Over 100 billion neurons, interconnected by trillions of synapses, form a web of communication more intricate than any structure found in the natural world. Each neuron can form thousands of connections with its neighbors, creating an astronomical number of potential pathways for information to travel. This vast network is what allows us to think, to feel, to experience the world around us. Every sensation, every thought, every memory is a result of electrical impulses racing through this intricate web, activating different pathways and creating a unique symphony of neural activity. Chapter 4, Speedster: Information travels at lightning speeds in your brain. The human brain, a 3-pound universe within our skulls, is a marvel of biological engineering. A vast network of billions of neurons, each one a tiny messenger, tirelessly carries information throughout this intricate landscape. Imagine, if you will, a bustling city at rush hour with countless vehicles navigating its labyrinthine streets. This is akin to the activity within your brain, where electrical and chemical signals, like those vehicles, hurtle along a complex network of neural pathways. These pathways, much like the city's roads, form an intricate system of interconnected highways and byways, facilitating the rapid transmission of information. And just how fast do these signals travel? Prepare yourself, for the speed at which information traverses the neural pathways of your brain is truly astonishing. Reaching speeds of up to 268 miles per hour, these signals outpace even the fastest animals on Earth. Chapter 5, The Brain, an Energy-Efficient Marvel. The human brain, a labyrinth of billions of neurons firing in concert, might seem like an energy-hungry organ. It's a complex network where each neuron plays a crucial role in processing information, making decisions, and controlling bodily functions. Indeed, it is a demanding organ requiring a constant supply of fuel to function correctly. This fuel comes from the food we eat, which is broken down into glucose, the primary energy source for the brain. Yet, despite its remarkable processing power, the brain operates with astonishing efficiency, putting even the most advanced supercomputers to shame. Supercomputers, with their vast arrays of processors, consume enormous amounts of energy, whereas the brain achieves similar feats with a fraction of the power. While it accounts for only 2% of our body weight, the brain consumes roughly 20% of our daily energy intake. This disproportionate energy consumption underscores the brain's critical role in our survival and functioning. This may seem like a large proportion, but consider this. A machine capable of performing the same tasks as the brain would require hundreds of kilowatts of power, comparable to a small power plant. The brain's efficiency is a marvel of biological engineering. The brain achieves this remarkable feat of energy efficiency through a combination of factors, including the specialized structure of neurons and the highly optimized way they communicate with each other. Neurons are designed to maximize efficiency, with each part of the cell contributing to this goal. It's akin to a well-oiled machine, where every component operates in perfect harmony, minimizing wasted energy. Each neuron works in concert with others, ensuring that energy is used only when necessary. Neurons, the fundamental units of the brain, are remarkably adept at conserving energy. They have evolved mechanisms to ensure that energy is not wasted, even during intense periods of activity. Unlike other cells in the body, neurons transmit information using electrical impulses, a process that is inherently energy efficient. These impulses are generated and propagated with minimal energy loss. These impulses, known as action potentials, are brief bursts of electrical activity that travel down the neuron's axon, like a spark traveling down a fuse. This rapid transmission allows for quick and efficient communication between neurons. The key to the neuron's energy efficiency lies in its ability to generate these action potentials only when necessary. This selective firing ensures that energy is conserved and used only when needed. The cell membrane of a neuron acts like a gatekeeper, carefully regulating the flow of ions in and out of the cell. This regulation is crucial for maintaining the neuron's resting potential and preparing it for action. This maintains a delicate balance of electrical charge across the membrane, known as the resting potential. The resting potential is essential for the neuron's readiness to fire an action potential when needed. Only when the neuron receives a sufficiently strong signal from its neighbors does this balance shift, triggering an action potential. This ensures that neurons are not constantly firing, which would waste energy. This all-or-nothing principle ensures that neurons only fire when they have something meaningful to communicate, preventing unnecessary energy expenditure. It's a highly efficient way to manage energy use in the brain, but the story of the brain's energy efficiency doesn't end there. The brain has additional mechanisms to ensure that energy is used wisely. At the junctions between neurons, known as synapses, chemical messengers called neurotransmitters relay signals from one neuron to the next. This chemical signaling is another layer of the brain's complex communication system. This process, while essential for communication between neurons, could potentially lead to wasted energy if not tightly controlled. The brain has evolved mechanisms to ensure that this does not happen. To prevent this, the brain employs a remarkable system of reuptake, where neurotransmitters, once released into the synapse, are quickly reabsorbed by the sending neuron. This reuptake process is crucial for maintaining efficiency. This recycling process ensures that neurotransmitters are not wasted and are readily available for future use, much like a highly efficient postal service that reuses its envelopes. It is a testament to the brain's ability to manage resources effectively. This intricate dance between electrical and chemical signaling, coupled with the brain's remarkable ability to recycle neurotransmitters, allows this complex organ to perform its myriad functions with remarkable energy efficiency, a testament to the power of evolution in shaping biological systems. The brain's efficiency is not just a marvel of biology, but also an inspiration for designing more energy-efficient technologies in the future. Chapter 6, The Brain's Limitless Memory, a Universe of Information. The human brain, a universe contained within our skulls, possesses a truly awe-inspiring capacity for storing information. Unlike the limited memory of our computers and smartphones, the brain's storage capacity is thought to be virtually limitless, a vast and intricate library capable of holding a lifetime of experiences, knowledge, and skills. While scientists haven't yet determined the exact storage capacity of the human brain, estimates suggest that it could be on the order of petabytes, equivalent to millions of gigabytes of data. To put this into perspective, this is enough storage space to hold a library of over 3 million books, each filled with words and images. And this remarkable storage capacity is not simply a matter of cramming as much information as possible into our heads. The brain organizes and categorizes information in a highly sophisticated manner, creating a complex web of interconnected memories that allows us to retrieve and utilize information with remarkable efficiency. The process of forming memories, known as encoding, relies on the intricate network of connections between neurons called synapses. Each time we experience something new, whether it's a breathtaking sunset or a conversation with a loved one, Our brains forge new pathways and strengthen existing connections between neurons, etching these experiences into the very fabric of our minds. Imagine a vast forest, with each tree representing a neuron and the branches connecting them representing synapses. As we learn and grow, new branches sprout, connecting previously distant trees, while existing branches thicken and become more robust, solidifying the pathways of information flow. This intricate web of interconnected neurons forms the basis of our memories, with each memory represented by a unique pattern of neural activity. And just as the forest changes and evolves over time, so too do our memories, constantly being reshaped and refined by new experiences. Recalling a memory is like embarking on a journey through this vast neural forest. When we try to remember something, our brains reactivate the specific pattern of neural activity associated with that memory, retracing the pathways that were forged when the memory was first encoded. The more frequently we recall a particular memory, the stronger these neural pathways become, making it easier and faster to access that memory in the future. Conversely, memories that are rarely recalled may fade over time as the connections between neurons weaken and the pathways become overgrown, like a seldom used trail in the woods. The brain's remarkable capacity for memory, its ability to store, organize, and retrieve vast amounts of information, is a testament to the power of biological evolution, a marvel of nature that continues to inspire and intrigue scientists and philosophers alike. Chapter 7. The Importance of Sleep. As darkness descends and the animal kingdom slumbers, a remarkable transformation takes place within our own minds. We close our eyes, our bodies still, and embark on a journey into the depths of sleep. Far from being a period of inactivity, sleep is an essential process, vital for the brain's optimal function. It is during these precious hours that our minds work tirelessly, consolidating memories, clearing waste products, and preparing us for the challenges of the day ahead. We cycle through different stages of sleep, each with its own unique characteristics and purpose. From the light slumber of early sleep to the deep restorative phases, our brains are hard at work. One of the most intriguing stages is REM sleep, characterized by rapid eye movements and vivid dreams. It is during REM sleep that our brains are most active, processing emotions, consolidating memories, and even sparking creativity. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can have a profound impact on our cognitive abilities. Even a single night of inadequate sleep can impair our attention, memory, and decision-making skills. Chronic sleep loss can lead to more serious consequences, including an increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. The importance of a good night's sleep for our physical and mental well-being cannot be overstated. Chapter 8. The Emotional Brain. Deep within the intricate tapestry of the human brain lies a realm of emotions, a complex symphony of sensations that color our perceptions and shape our experiences. From the exhilaration of love to the depths of despair, emotions are an integral part of what it means to be human. They guide our actions, influence our decisions, and enrich our lives with meaning and purpose. At the heart of our emotional experiences lies the limbic system, an ancient and evolutionarily conserved network of brain structures. One key player in this intricate dance of emotions is the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure that acts as a rapid threat detector, triggering the fight or flight response in the face of danger. The hippocampus, another vital component of the limbic system, plays a crucial role in memory formation and retrieval, particularly for emotionally charged events. It is the hippocampus that allows us to remember the joy of a birthday celebration or the heartache of a lost love. These emotional memories shape our perceptions, influence our behavior, and contribute to the richness of our personal narratives. Chapter 9. The Athletic Brain. From the graceful movements of a dancer to the explosive power of a weightlifter, the human body is capable of extraordinary feats of athleticism. But behind every jump shot, every pirouette, every perfectly executed serve lies a secret weapon, the human brain. The brain is not merely a passive observer, it is an active participant in every movement we make. It receives a constant stream of sensory information from our muscles, joints, and inner ear, allowing us to maintain balance, coordinate our movements, and navigate our surroundings with precision and grace. But the brain's role in athletic performance extends far beyond simply controlling our movements. It is also responsible for motivation, focus, and the mental resilience required to push our physical limits. The brain is the ultimate training ground where champions are made and records are broken. Chapter 10. The Adaptable Brain. The human brain, a marvel of complexity, might appear fixed in its structure, like the ancient mountains that grace our planet. These mountains, with their towering peaks and deep valleys, seem unchanging, a testament to the passage of time. But this, my friends, is a deception. The brain, unlike the mountains, is not a static entity, for the brain possesses a remarkable ability, a secret hidden within its intricate folds: neuroplasticity. This ability allows the brain to change its structure and function in response to experience and learning. Imagine, if you will, a forest floor teeming with life. Each plant, each tree, each organism plays a role in the ecosystem. New pathways emerge as saplings stretch towards the light, while old, fallen trees give way to the relentless forces of nature. This dynamic interplay ensures the forest's survival and growth. This constant change, this ebb and flow, is mirrored in the very structure of your brain. Just as the forest adapts to its environment, so too does your brain. Throughout your life, from your very first breath to this very moment, your brain is constantly adapting, rewiring its neural pathways in response to every experience, every thought, every sensation. This process is ongoing, a testament to the brain's incredible flexibility. It's a dance of creation and destruction, of learning and adapting, a testament to the brain's extraordinary resilience. Each new experience, each new piece of information, contributes to this intricate dance. With each new skill you acquire, be it playing a musical instrument or mastering a new language, new connections are forged between your brain cells, like delicate threads weaving an intricate tapestry. These connections are the foundation of your learning and memory. Like a master weaver, your brain meticulously crafts these connections, ensuring that each thread is in its rightful place. And as you navigate the complexities of life, your brain is constantly refining these connections, strengthening some, pruning others, ensuring you're always equipped to face the challenges that lie ahead. This process is essential for your cognitive development and adaptability. This remarkable ability of the brain to rewire itself, known as neuroplasticity, is not merely a biological curiosity. It is a fundamental aspect of our existence, shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and abilities. It's the very foundation of learning, memory, and even recovery from injury. Without neuroplasticity, our ability to learn new things or recover from brain injuries would be severely limited. It allows us to adapt to new environments, overcome adversity, and ultimately to shape our own destiny. This adaptability is what makes us uniquely human. Think of a child learning to ride a bicycle. This seemingly simple task is a complex interplay of balance, coordination, and muscle memory. At first, the task seems insurmountable, a bewildering array of movements and balance. The child wobbles, falls, and gets up again, each time learning something new, but with persistence. With each wobble and correction, the child's brain is diligently rewiring itself, forging new connections, strengthening existing ones, until the once impossible becomes effortless, a testament to the power of neuroplasticity. The joy on the child's face as they master the skill is a reflection of the brain's incredible ability to adapt and learn. Even in the face of adversity, the brain demonstrates its remarkable resilience. This resilience is crucial for our survival and growth. Following a stroke, for instance, areas of the brain responsible for certain functions may be damaged. This damage can have profound effects on a person's abilities and quality of life. Yet with time and rehabilitation, the brain can reroute signals, forging new connections, allowing individuals to regain lost abilities, a testament to the brain's remarkable capacity for healing and adaptation. This process is a beacon of hope for many. The journey of recovery is often long and arduous, but the brain's ability to adapt and heal makes it possible. Neuroplasticity is not limited to childhood or times of trauma. It is a lifelong process, a constant dance between our experiences and the very fabric of our minds. This ongoing process ensures that we continue to grow and learn throughout our lives. Every interaction, every book we read, every skill we learn leaves its mark on our brains, shaping who we are and who we have the potential to become. This continuous process of learning and adaptation is what makes life so rich and fulfilling. This understanding of neuroplasticity, this awareness that our brains are not static entities, but rather dynamic, ever-evolving landscapes, is profoundly empowering. It gives us the confidence to take on new challenges and push the boundaries of our potential. It reminds us that we are not bound by the limits of our past experiences, that our brains possess the remarkable ability to change and adapt throughout our lives. This adaptability is a source of great strength and resilience. By embracing new challenges, by stepping outside our comfort zones, by engaging in activities that stimulate our minds, we can harness the power of neuroplasticity, forging new connections, strengthening existing ones, and cultivating a more resilient, adaptable brain. This proactive approach to learning and growth is essential for our well-being. Chapter 11. The Enigma of Consciousness. We have journeyed deep into the intricate workings of the human brain, exploring its astonishing speed, its vast memory, and its remarkable ability to adapt. The brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, is a marvel of biological engineering, a testament to the complexity and ingenuity of nature. But now, we arrive at the very essence of our being, the most profound mystery of all, consciousness. This elusive phenomenon has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for centuries, and yet it remains one of the most intriguing aspects of our existence. What is it, this subjective experience, this inner world of thoughts, emotions, and sensations that we all possess? How do we come to feel joy, sorrow, love, and fear? What is the nature of this inner dialogue that shapes our identity and our perception of reality? How does this symphony of awareness arise from the intricate dance of neurons and synapses? The brain's electrical and chemical signals somehow give rise to the rich tapestry of our conscious experience, but the exact mechanisms remain shrouded in mystery. Scientists and philosophers have grappled with these questions for centuries, yet consciousness remains an enigma, a frontier of human understanding that continues to both captivate and confound us. From Descartes' famous declaration, "I think, therefore I am," to modern-day neuroscientific inquiries, the quest to understand consciousness is ongoing. Some theories propose that consciousness emerges from the complex interactions of billions of neurons, a sort of emergent property of the brain's intricate wiring. This perspective suggests that consciousness is a byproduct of the brain's complexity, a natural outcome of its sophisticated structure and function. Others suggest that consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe, like space and time, permeating all things. This idea, known as panpsychism, posits that consciousness is a basic feature of the cosmos, present in all matter to some degree. Regardless of its origin, consciousness is the very essence of our human experience. It is through consciousness that we navigate the world, interpret our surroundings, and engage with others. It is the lens through which we view reality, shaping our thoughts, actions, and interactions. It is through consciousness that we perceive the world around us, that we experience the richness of emotions, from the depths of despair to the heights of joy. Our conscious experience is a dynamic interplay of sensory inputs, emotional responses, and cognitive processes, all woven together to create the fabric of our lives. It is consciousness that allows us to reflect on our own existence, to ponder the mysteries of the universe, and to forge the bonds of love, empathy, and connection with our fellow human beings. Through consciousness, we are able to understand and share the experiences of others, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Imagine, if you will, the vastness of space, a canvas of twinkling stars stretching out to infinity. The universe, with its boundless expanse and countless mysteries, is a source of endless wonder and inspiration. Now, consider that within each one of us, within the confines of our skulls, resides a universe just as vast, just as awe-inspiring, the universe of our own consciousness. This inner cosmos is a realm of infinite possibilities, shaped by our thoughts, memories, and experiences. This inner world is constantly evolving, shaped by our experiences, our relationships, and our interactions with the world around us. Every moment of our lives adds a new layer to the rich tapestry of our conscious experience, influencing how we perceive and respond to the world. It is a realm of infinite possibilities, a testament to the extraordinary power and potential of the human mind. Our consciousness allows us to dream, to create, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. While the nature of consciousness remains a mystery, scientists are making strides in understanding its biological underpinnings. Advances in neuroscience and brain imaging techniques are providing new insights into the neural correlates of consciousness. Through brain imaging techniques, we can observe the neural correlates of consciousness, the patterns of brain activity that correspond to different states of awareness. These techniques allow us to see how different regions of the brain interact and contribute to our conscious experience. We are beginning to unravel the neural circuits involved in perception, attention, and decision-making, providing tantalizing glimpses into the neural bases of our subjective experience. These discoveries are helping us to understand how the brain processes information and generates the rich tapestry of our conscious experience. However, despite these advances, consciousness remains a profound mystery, a challenge that continues to inspire scientists, philosophers, and artists alike. The quest to understand consciousness is not just a scientific endeavor, but a deeply human one, touching on the very essence of our existence. The quest to understand consciousness is ultimately a quest to understand ourselves, to unravel the very essence of what it means to be human. It is a journey that takes us to the heart of our own being, challenging us to explore the depths of our inner world. So as we continue to explore the vast frontiers of the human brain, let us always remember the profound mystery that lies at its core. The enigma of consciousness, the spark of awareness that illuminates our inner world and connects us to the grand tapestry of existence. The enigma of consciousness is a reminder of the wonder and complexity of the human mind, a testament to the boundless potential of our inner world. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the brain, let us celebrate the beauty and richness of our conscious experience, and the profound connections it allows us to forge with the world and with each other. Chapter 12, Outro. From the electrical impulses that power our thoughts to the vast networks of neurons that shape our memories, we have journeyed deep into the intricate world of the human brain. We have witnessed its astounding capabilities, its remarkable resilience, and its enduring mysteries. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more incredible content exploring the wonders of science, technology, and the human experience. This has been a special presentation from The Boomer Report. We'll see you in the next video.